Good morning, guys. We're here. We're doing an event today with Good Life Fitness, and this is actually the first time me ever being on a football field, so that's pretty cool. We are doing a collaboration with them and a group workout class, and the participants will be hanging out, working out on this field, and then we'll be providing them protein bites, a chance to win a week of free meals, our swag items like the cutlery you get after you place 3 orders, as well as lanyards and some things like that. So follow us along. It's gonna be a really fun day, and we can't wait.